Hi there, my name is Ellis and the aim of this video is to highlight the features and purpose of my new project AVERT. One of the main causes of back problems is from poor posture. For example, while driving, playing sport, relaxing or working at a computer, as you saw before. The main problem is that people are not aware of the serious potential damage they are doing to their spine. So what we need to do is we need to show them the correct posture while during activity and also how to maintain this correct posture throughout their daily lives. This is my solution. I call it AVERT. AVERT is a combination of vertebrae and avert, which sort of means to avert a problem. So this is how AVERT works. So first of all we want to put on the garment, so the mechanical part of the design fits along with the spine here, and the wires come around and we've got the processor here connected on the belt. And first of all what we want to do is we just want to turn the device on. We'll get a nice beep there and a hello. And then we take the key, and the key is just to keep sort of personal information private basically. And so we take the key, we insert it into the controller here, we turn it down, we'll get a nice little beep and a hello here, and then we'll come up to our menu, we'll take our cable here and put it in the link section of the remote control. This comes all the way up onto the control section of the processor. And then what we want to do is we can either select from real-time plus record, PC analysis or computer upload. And for this demonstration we'll pick real-time, so that just means that it will analyse our posture in real time and tell us when it's poor and tell us when it's good, and so we can maintain this good posture without recording any results. So we'll select that, but what we need to do is first of all is we need to have our back perfectly straight with good posture, so head forward, shoulders back, so basically our shoulders and this part and our feet should all be in line, and then we'll press select and you'll hear a nice little beep there and another beep to say that it's recorded your spine in the correct position. So now we'll disconnect the cables and turn off the control. Okay, now we're all set up and ready to go. So we've taken a recording of our posture in the correct position, and that's what the processor will analyse it against. So for our future back positions as we're going through our activities, it'll compare it against this posture and say, you know, is it bad compared to this kind of thing. And so just to demonstrate it, say I'm just going around my normal activities, I'll bend down to pick something up. There you go, as you can see, you know, my back position is pretty poor, I'm slouching, shoulders are hung down, the lights come on, the sounds come on, just to say, you know, you better do something about this. And so I bend back up, there we go, that beeping stop, lights come on, green lights come back on, so that's fine, good, so I'm ready to go now. And that just keeps going on during the real-time process until basically I turn the project off. Okay, so now you've seen how the real-time mode works. What other modes can we use? Right, so through the controller we can select real-time as I've just shown you. We can scroll down to the real-time plus record, and that is the exact same thing. It tells you when your posture is bad and alerts you until you've corrected it, but also it records all the data from all 24 sensors running down your spine and records it permanently in its memory so that you can upload it later so that you can analyse it on the computer. And then if we go down, we've got PC analysis, and that's something a little bit different. It doesn't warn you if your posture is bad. This is purely just to see what shape your spine is regardless of your posture. So you have the cable plugged in via the control into the link on the controller, then you plug the computer into the PC, and then data will basically come straight off the spine through the processor and straight onto the computer where it can be analysed in real time through the software which I wrote. And then the final thing which is upload data, which is basically just to get all the data that's out of this from the last time you did a recording, and that'll just upload all into the computer in one big block, and then you can individually pick out specific sets of data and look at them through the software and see what your spine's like in that shape. And so those are the 4 modes that the AVERT allows you to do. Playing sports like hockey and volleyball and lots of others. Playing the drums. Running. Relaxing. So what do you think of this idea?
I think it's a great project. Professional musicians spend all day practicing, and if they don't have the right posture, they could be doing real damage to their spines.